Get a nice logo. Do you have a logo already? Well, you can have no logo or a logo, an existing logo, and we will help you with your logo. InterNACHI's member marketing team, remember that team that works for you? They can design a new logo for you or redesign an existing logo. And they'll design and customize your business cards, your flyers, and your brochures. And all of that design work and that proofreading and that illustrating and that consultation is free for InterNACHI members. All you have to do is put in an order. Now you can go to Vistaprint if you want or something like that, order a box of crappy business cards for a little bit, but InterNACHI's member marketing team, that's all they do. They work on home inspector businesses and they try to figure out, they consult with you and figure out what your brand is and then design something unique that expresses that brand in marketing. All right, so go to nachi.org/marketing. Let's go there now. And here's the website. I would click around and take a look at the portfolio and the logos and the products that the InterNACHI member marketing team does. They have banners, brochures, business cards, card stickers, flyers, folders, postcards, promo packages, rack cards, vehicle magnets, custom books. It just goes on and on and on. And you can take a look at their portfolio and their recent work. That's beautiful stuff. I like that. That's really cool too. And there's a 3-step process. Step 1, step 2, step 3. This is a fantastic InterNACHI benefit to get a logo for your business designed by professional illustrators and marketing professionals. And all of that design work is free. So go to nachi.org/marketing. Visit your marketing team today and ask them, what can they do for your business? Get a new logo.